6:36 in the morning. Doing my pre-trip. In Boone, New Hampshire at the Pilot All Town. Everything with the truck checks out fine, except for this trailer marker light. Had to fix the wire connection underneath, so just reattach the wire. Load is okay. But walking out of my truck this morning, truck S7016, Peterbilt, for Swift Enterprises, SEL, out of Chattanooga, Tennessee, decided to throw his garbage. Let me get a flashlight here. Flashlight went to. Oh, here we go. This guy here decided to throw his pizza crust that he was eating when I pulled up. He decided to throw it onto my truck, which is sitting right here. First of all, why are you throwing your food outside? Use a trash bag. Second of all, why are you throwing it on someone else's truck? Operated by USA Express. You're uncouth and you're ignorant. And you're just plain discourteous and rude. You shouldn't be doing that. Don't be throwing your food outside onto the ground. Secondly, don't throw it on someone else's truck. All right, so we got our scale ticket. And none too soon, because these this logging company here decided to park 3 trucks right in front of the scale entrance. You know, the hell with everybody else. I didn't think New Hampshire had that many rude people in it, but apparently it does. So here's our weights. 10,320, 24,740, 33,20. So we are good to go for weight. We got enough fuel to get down to Connecticut to fuel all the way up. We're fully awake and slightly PO'd in the morning, but you know, what are you gonna do about that? So just to get in here, even to fuel, you gotta get a ticket because they pay for parking here. And you gotta get a minimum of 60 gallons of fuel to not get charged. Brilliant. Love it. the George W. Bridge. Need 20 miles an hour. George Washington Bridge. From New York into New Jersey. Look out there to Manhattan. That's heading north. So we got about 8 miles to go. We're going to stop here in Richland at the Service Plaza here on 95. Do a load check, and you can see we only got an hour and 40 minutes left on our drive clock right now till we have to take a 30-minute break. Might as well go ahead and do the 30-minute break here at this rest area. Because don't want to get caught out somewhere else. Either here, or I'm going to see if I can get down the road a little bit further maybe, but more likely I'm just going to do it here. It'll be just a lot easier just to do it all at once, get it over with. We got basically got the most part of the traffic behind us now. All right. Right. Got a little dingbat going on there. Because people can't frickin' drive, stay in their lane. Left lane closed eastbound onto the GWB. Stay out of the left lane.
You got it, stay right there. I was sitting here all that time making my straw didn't go nowhere before I got loaded. It stayed right there, you know that? Even in that wind. What do you think? You learned something? Yeah, once you know how to go that way, and, you got...
we got ourselves to our load check and 30-minute break location. The Vince Lombardi Service Plaza here on 995, just inside New Jersey from New York City. And if you look through the trucks there in the distance, you can see some of the buildings for over towards Manhattan way. So lots of traffic today. We've done 240 miles so far, and that's basically taken up 6.5 hours for us to do that today. Even with filling and a load check already, scale and pre-trip, that's pretty bad. But the vast majority of the traffic is behind us. We're gonna roll on a lot better from here on out. The rest of New Jersey into Pennsylvania, and then we'll see how far we can get. Hopefully we can get down to Virginia at least a little bit, and then we'll make up the rest of it tomorrow. We still have 562 and 56 miles to go. So 617 miles to go. So if we do another 300 so or 200 something today, we'll make up the rest tomorrow. We should be okay. Okay, we got a hot tortilla. We put a little bit of refried bean on there. A little sprinkle of cheese. Couple spoonfuls of meat. Some green pepper, bit of onion, and a little bit of lettuce, and we got ourselves a meal. So we're just gonna fold that up and go to town on it. We'll probably do 3 of these because I'm pretty hungry today. That's how easy it is to cook in the truck. Thanks for watching.